Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact Penguin Paradise VR version and which platform you use because mods must match the build. Once done, enable developer mode or sideloading on your headset. This lets you install non-store packages. Make sure to back up the game folder and saves now. It prevents loss if a mod breaks things. You'll need a file transfer method, USB or Wi-Fi, and a simple mod loader tool compatible with the game. Install that next. Step by step. You download mods that explicitly match your game version because mismatched files cause crashes. Next, move mod files into the loader's required folders. Common targets are mods, plugins, or assets. Using your transfer method, keep folder structure intact. Then open the mod manager or loader. Enable each mod and arrange load order to prevent conflicts. If a mod has dependencies, install them first. Take a small test run. After enabling one mod, you finish by launching the game and testing changes immediately. Look for visual glitches, errors, or log entries. If something breaks, disable mods one by one to isolate the culprit, because chopping up problems quickly saves time. Make sure to check mod compatibility after each game update. Update or remove incompatible mods. One key troubleshooting tip: if crashes persist, restore your backup copy of game files, then reintroduce mods slowly to find the exact issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.